5 rows. Gone. The pipeline said success. Exit code 0. It was wrong. This is DataSentinel. I built it to catch what your ETL misses. It connects to your source and your target at the same time, compares what went in against what came out, and tells you exactly what broke, before anyone finds it in a dashboard 3 weeks later. 83% of data migrations go over budget. 60% of teams discover data loss after go live. Not before. After. Because validation is always the last step, and silent data corruption doesn't throw errors. That's what makes it silent. Here's the source. Oracle. The orders table. 8,200 rows. Here's the target. Postgres. Same table. After the migration. 8,195. 5 rows short. Updated_at. That column doesn't exist in Postgres at all. It got dropped during the migration. Nobody noticed. Order_status. Varchar on Oracle. Text on Postgres. Different types. Same column. The pipeline didn't catch it. Priority_level. 9.4% null rate drift. 770 values. Silently converted to null. Skew_code. 9.8%. 800 nulls. 20 fewer distinct values. The data didn't disappear. It degraded. The ETL reported success. Exit code 0. Everything green. This is DataSentinel running against those two databases. One command, one config file. Customers, 15,420 rows. Row count, pass. Schema, pass. Column stats, pass. Orders, row count, 5 rows missing. Found. Schema, 3 differences. Updated_at dropped. Order_status type changed. Priority_level nullable mismatch. Column stats. 2 columns exceeded the null drift threshold. All of it. 1 run. 0 manual SQL. Products. 42,100 rows. Clean. Final result. 2 tables passed. 1 failed. Total runtime. 9 seconds. You run 1 command. DataSentinel validate --config prod.yaml. JSON report, HTML report, or straight to your terminal. That's it. Right now, DataSentinel connects to Oracle, Postgres, and Snowflake. This series follows a real Oracle to Snowflake migration, end to end. The demo you just saw runs against Postgres. That's our stepping stone. By the end of this series, it runs against Snowflake, live, in production. 7 episodes, everything built in public. Episode 1, that's this video. The full picture, why migration fails, what we're fixing. Episode 2, data assessment. Profile your Oracle database before you move a single row. Know what you're working with before you break it. Episode 3, schema mapping. Oracle types to Snowflake. No false positives. Varchar 2, string. Varchar. DataSentinel already knows they're the same. Episode 4, we build the ETL pipeline from scratch, live. Episode 5, DataSentinel validates everything that moved, every row, every column. Episode 6, scheduled monitoring, alerts when something drifts after go live. Episode 7, the full ingestion platform, Excel to Snowflake, REST APIs, Google Sheets, on a schedule, without code changes. DataSentinel is free, open source. Oracle, Postgres, Snowflake, 3 connectors out of the box. 1 YAML config, 1 command, full report in under 10 seconds. Link is in the description. Star the repo if this is useful to you. If you're mid-migration right now, run it tonight, before you go live. Episode 2 drops next week. We profile an Oracle database from scratch. Real tables, real problems. See you there.